Today we're going to be doing a product overview on GB Remanufacturing's LB7 valve cover gasket kit. Today we're doing a product overview of GB Remanufacturing's LB7 valve cover gasket kit. This is GB part number 522035. Inside of the kit comes with everything that you need to do one valve cover, or one side of the motor, let me say. So one part number does one side of the motor. If you need to do both sides of the motor, you'll have to order two of these kits. All right, inside of this kit, you are going to get the lower valve cover gasket. The lower valve cover gaskets on these trucks, it wears out over time. It becomes old, it becomes brittle. These trucks are, they're 14 years old in their newest model. So this rubber is going to become brittle and wear out over time. We're going to replace these. So GB sends you the gasket for the lower valve cover. It also sends you the bolt. They also send you the bolt grommets, which is another leak point that you can have inside the valve cover. To get these grommets out of this lower valve cover, you just push them out. They're pretty easy to get out, and GB sends all of those for you. Also in the kit, you're going to get the new high pressure injector line grommets. Now, I want to show you just a little bit about these, and this is kind of a mini installation video. If you get into this and you are removing these grommets, let me show you a quick and easy way to do that, because these have got of course a spring in them because they're a seal, but it's got a metal band around it. So getting them out of the valve cover can prove to be a little bit challenging. We've already pressed this new one in here. Let me show you how to get one of these out, what I did. So the back side of this, it is just a ring, so there's no lip here. I can't hit it like that, it'll just punch on through. So you basically got to cut it out, and once you cut it out, you're committed at that point. So I just chisel towards the outside of the valve cover. And what that does is, you can see it's begun to bend there, and that gets it away from the valve cover. So I'm just going to give her about a half of a love tap there and just bend it on up. Now, because I'm doing it on video, then it wants to fight the whole way out.
You need me to come hit it for you?
Yeah, that's right. So once you finally got it dislodged, like I thought I did right there, it's not too awful bad. But again, like I said, once you go in there, when you decide you're going to take these out, you're committed to it. Reinstall them, clean this back up, take one of your new seals. I just used a bearing and race driver. Go ahead and push it back in. So that where you're at there, sorry, I just used a little bearing race driver, turned it upside down, then just sealed it back in. So that's getting those seals out. If you decide you want to change those out, they come in the GB kit. So just a nice, one more seal for you to change. The upper valve cover on the LB7s is obviously Permatex, so you don't get any Permatex in this kit. You will have to supply your own Permatex for your reinstallation. So That is a product overview of GB Reman's LB7 valve cover gasket kit. If you have a question about this product or any of our other products, please give us a call, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.